with your John Deere tractor, the removal of the loader is super easy once you've done it once or twice. And we're going to show you how to do that here today. Key components that you're going to be handling is our loader release pins or levers off the pins and our hydraulic hose connection. So on this one we have the standard 4 outlet hydraulic lines. Some of them have a single lever as well. So we're going to use the 4 outlet here, and this one's got a cab, so it makes it a little harder to actually see the lines, but on an open station super easy. But once we get into it, we're going to take our time doing this, but once you've done it once or twice, 30 seconds to remove the loader, and you're off to the races to put on your next attachment or running around without a loader on. So first step when we're going to remove the loader from the tractor is going to be setting the tractor into neutral and applying our parking brake. Because we're going to be on and off the tractor with it running, sometimes we're going to adjust the loader just from the outside of the tractor. So being safe, set the park brake, put her into neutral. So first thing, when your loader's in the air, drop it down, and we're just going to be watching our latches to watch them move. And you'll use your lower and your curl function to get it to come back the way you want it to come. Once you got it back off of the pins, we can get out of the tractor and just lift them up. Go to your other side. Lift this one up as well. So now we're unhooked from the tractor mounts for the loader. From here, we're going to drop the loader, and it's dropping this arm here down to the ground, which is then going to lift off our loader pin here. So now we're off here. At this step, I recommend shutting the tractor off and then just moving your joystick a little bit to relieve the pressures off the lines for removing. Now on the lines here, this one is our standard 4-point control valve. So we're just going to slide it back and pull them out. And when we moved the joystick around for the loader, it gave us, took the pressure off of the connections, which made it super easy. If they're tight and you can't get them off, it's just, there's too much pressure built up in the circuit. One thing to keep in mind as well, when you are relieving the pressures, you gotta make sure you have enough clearance for the tire. Otherwise, you're not gonna be able to get off because we just disconnected all the loader lines. So I probably should have, in this case, had the loader up in the air a little more. But once you've got that, you're just going to back away from it. You can leave your loader just sitting there. And when you're ready to hook back up, you're just going to drive up to the loader with this mount on top, dropping your pin in, hook your hydraulic lines up, and you're just going to use your loader to bring it all back into place. So we'll show you that here now. So as we've already driven up to the tractor, we're just going to connect our lines up. They are already colored. So as long as you're matching your colors back up, then you got no problems. Start your tractor back up, and we're going to raise the back up just a little bit here. Take our park brake off because we need to drive into it. Shift into gear. Drive ourselves forward till you bottom out. And right now we're just pushing our joystick forward to bring the loader back into place. Once it's in, set our parking brake again and put it back into neutral and drop your latches back down. And from there, our loader's back into play. So again, once you've done it a few times, you can get this done really quick. Biggest thing to know, just as the mistake I made there, make sure your bottom pin is above your tire when you're disconnecting it so you can drive away from it without contacting the tire.